Vladimir Grigorievich Tretchikoff was a Russian-born South African artist renowned for his vibrant, often dramatic paintings that captured the imagination of the mid-20th century public. His works, despite being dismissed by art critics as kitsch, achieved massive popularity, making him one of the wealthiest artists of his time. Tretchikoff was born in Petropavlovsk, Russia, on December 26, 1913. His early years were marked by the upheavals of the Russian Revolution, which forced his family to flee to Harbin, China, in 1921. Growing up in a foreign land, Tretchikoff developed a fascination with the diverse cultures around him, a theme that would later permeate his artwork. In Harbin, Tretchikoff showed early artistic promise, studying under a local Russian artist. By his teenage years, he was already working as a commercial artist, illustrating books and designing advertisements. His early exposure to commercial art influenced his later work, characterized by bold colors and striking compositions, designed to appeal to a broad audience. Tretchikoff's life took another dramatic turn with the outbreak of World War II. He moved to Singapore, where he continued his work as a commercial artist. However, his career was interrupted in 1942 when Japanese forces invaded the island. Tretchikoff was captured and spent several years as a prisoner of war, an experience that deeply affected him. During his captivity, Tretchikoff continued to paint, often using whatever materials he could find. This period of hardship and creativity honed his skills and deepened his resolve to pursue art as a lifelong career. After the war, Tretchikoff moved to South Africa, where his career flourished. He quickly gained a reputation for his exotic and accessible style. His subjects often included glamorous women, flowers, and animals, painted in a hyper-realistic manner that made his work immediately recognizable. In 1952, Tretchikoff unveiled his most famous work, Chinese Girl. The painting, depicting a young Chinese woman with distinct green-hued skin, became an iconic image of the era. It was widely reproduced and sold as prints, contributing significantly to Tretchikoff's fame and financial success. Chinese Girl became one of the best-selling art prints of the 20th century, adorning countless homes worldwide. Tretchikoff's art is characterized by its vibrant color palette, dramatic lighting, and a somewhat theatrical presentation of subjects. His technique involved meticulous attention to detail, creating an almost photographic realism that was both striking and accessible. This style resonated with the public, but was often derided by critics, who labeled it as kitsch, art considered to be in poor taste due to its overly sentimental or commercial nature. Despite the criticism, Tretchikoff embraced his commercial success. He believed that art should be accessible to everyone, not just the elite, and he took pride in the fact that his work brought joy to millions. In the latter part of his career, Tretchikoff continued to paint and exhibit internationally. His popularity endured, even as the art establishment continued to dismiss his work. He published an autobiography, Pigeon's Luck, in 1973, offering insights into his life and artistic philosophy. Tretchikoff passed away on August 26, 2006, in Cape Town, South Africa. Despite the ongoing debate about the artistic merit of his work, his influence is undeniable. His paintings, especially Chinese Girl, remain cultural touchstones, representing a unique intersection of art and popular culture. Today, Tretchikoff is remembered as a pioneering figure who challenged the boundaries between fine art and commercial art. His ability to capture the public's imagination, combined with his resilience and dedication, has secured his place in the annals of art history as the King of Kitsch.